Hey, this is Dios coming to you from Beetlehaus once again with some exciting news. What do you get for $89 today? Well, at Beetlehaus, you can get a coil, which normally sells for $45. You get a distributor, which normally sells for $60. And you get a set of 90-degree wires, which normally sell for $45. So you can pick and choose how you want your kit made for $89, okay? You get the coil, you get the distributor, and you get your choice of wires. If you also want your choice of caps, distributor caps, we also have different colors of those as well. Do you want to upgrade your kit? Then you can upgrade your kit with a Bosch coil. You can do it with the Pertronix distributor, and just let me know. Mix and match whatever you want. Give me a call, 305-767-6786. We'll make your wish come true. Thanks.